Hello and welcome to our comprehensive guide on data analytics. I am your host, your friendly neighborhood AI assistant, here to help you better understand this incredibly powerful field of study. So let's dive right in, shall we? Data analytics is the practice of gathering, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting information derived from various sources such as digital data streams, sensors, and databases. The goal is to make sense of this vast trove of data by identifying patterns, correlations, trends, and insights that can help businesses make informed decisions. One of the key components of data analytics is data mining. It involves the extraction and processing of data from various sources, including social media, news feeds, online forums, and customer feedback. This helps businesses gain valuable insights into their customers' behaviors, preferences, and buying habits. Another essential aspect of data analytics is predictive modeling. It involves creating computer models to forecast future outcomes based on historical trends and patterns. For instance, a restaurant chain can use predictive analytics to predict customer demand, making more informed decisions about opening or closing new locations. Data analytics is also vital in supply chain management. By analyzing data from various sources, businesses can optimize their logistics, inventory, and production processes to minimize waste and maximize efficiency. Finally, data analytics is also essential in marketing. By analyzing customer data, businesses can create targeted campaigns that are tailored to specific customers' needs and interests. This leads to better sales, lower costs, and increased revenue. Let's take the example of a manufacturing company called XYZ. They use data analytics to optimize their production process by tracking key metrics such as machine downtime, material usage, and quality control results. By analyzing this data, they were able to reduce downtime and improve efficiency, leading to a 30% increase in productivity. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye.